Hello everyone, this is Nivedita, a PTE specialist at YAxis. In this video, we are going to discuss one of the item types in the speaking module of PTE, that is describe image. Yes, as the name itself says, it is pretty evident what is expected from us to do here for this item type. Let's have a look at it. First of all, you would be asked 3 to 4 questions of describe image. So here, an image is displayed on the screen and you're going to describe whatever that is depicted in the image. As simple as that. Likewise, you're going to do at least 3 to maximum 4 number of images. So one by one, it would be displayed on the screen and you have to describe them as you go ahead with each question, right? And this image, mostly one image would be displayed on the screen. At times, you get 2 images. In rare cases, you can even expect 3 images. Okay? And these images can be of only 2 variations. One statistical, another non-statistical. Now, what is statistical image? A pie chart, a bar graph, a table of data, a line graph, these would come under statistical images. For non-statistical, you can expect a process diagram or maps, a map of a particular place in 2 different time periods, or plans, existing plan and proposed changes, or even just a scene. Maybe some people going for a walk in the evening in a park. So how the typical scene would be like. So you can even expect a scene, a picture. So these would come under non-statistical images. So either you get one statistical or one non-statistical or 2 statistical images or 2 non-statistical images. When I say that, if you get maps and plans, it is usually 2. So that's what I mean by 2 non-statistical images. In very rare cases, you get 3. So whether you get 1, 2 or 3, the concept remains the same. The demand remains the same. That is, you get, whether it is 1, 2 or 3 images, you get 25 seconds to observe. It is not that, okay, for one image, I'll get 25 seconds. If I get 2 images, will I get 50 seconds? No. It is only the same 25 seconds to observe how many number of images you have been given. Whether it is 1, 2 or 3, it is only 25 seconds. Okay. As soon as the image displays on the screen, your 25 seconds would start. And to indicate that the time is up, you will hear a beep sound exactly after 25 seconds. And then to describe the image, as soon as the beep sound is played, you have to describe the image in 40 seconds. Again, whether it is 1, 2 or 3 images, you get only 40 seconds to observe irrespective of the number of images you get. So 25 seconds to observe a beep sound and 40 seconds to describe. Do not start your response. Do not start describing the image before you hear the beep sound. You would start, but the recording wouldn't record your responses. So you should always be mindful of the beep sound in some of the item types in the speaking module, and describe image is one of them. Right? And this is pretty much you're going to do for any number of questions you get. Whether it is 3, 4, whatever it is, whatever statistical image or non-statistical image, bar chart, pie chart, maps, plan, whatever you get, this is the pattern. This does not change at all. You should remember that you only get 25 seconds. So since it is only 25 seconds, sometimes that time wouldn't be sufficient. Imagine there are 2 images. That wouldn't be sufficient sometimes. I wouldn't say all the time, sometimes. Yes, it is challenging. So you will be given this erasable notepad booklet. You're given erasable notepad booklet and you're going to use it to take down notes. So what this image is all about? What are the features that are being depicted? So what exactly is being depicted? So you're going to take down some notes of whatever that is depicted in the image, so that as you describe whatever you have noted down, you would not face any a challenge, you would not face any, you would not fumble in between because you have everything prepared. So you can just look at it. You can refer to the erasable notepad booklet. It is no problem. Only your oral response should be correct. If you want, you can. The image will still be displayed. If you're wondering, yes, this image will still be there. You can refer to the image or you can refer to the notes. No problem at all. But take help. Don't just keep on looking at the image for 25 seconds and waste your time. You are given 25 seconds. You have to utilize it as much as possible. Also, there is a structure that you need to focus on while you describe it so that you can get the complete score. So that we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.